Good morning children. Welcome to today's class. So today's class is for class 7. Today we are going to learn about a poem. So before getting into that, the first lesson A reading is the town mouse and the country mouse, right? So generally different people might have different kind of taste. That the people who are living in the cities, they always feel to live in cities only, and if they go to villages they feel uncomfortable to stay there, because in different situations, if they go to a village they might not get the net connection, or we cannot go to malls or cinema theaters to go and watch films, right? In the same way, if a village, people who are living in the village, if they come to town, what do they feel? They feel that in the cities we get more noise from the vehicles and they cannot live peaceful life, right? In the different situations, different kind of people will think to live in different places according to their wish and their desires. So here, see the heading of this poem, The Town Child. The Town Child. And the poem was written by Aaron Thompson. So here the town child is expressing his views. How does he feel while he is living in a town? Generally, what is a town here? Town means it is a city, right? So how is he feeling about living in the city? Now let us see. I live in the town in a street. So what is a town child here saying? He is saying that I live in a town and in a street I am living, he said. And along with that he is saying it is crowded with the traffic and feet. Means what? In the cities every time what happens? We can see number of vehicles on the roads, right? So obviously what happens? Traffic jams will be there and lot of noise as well as pollution also comes out from the vehicles. So he is saying that I live in a town in a street. And again what he is saying, crowded means what? Crowded means what? All together at one place. It might be persons, or generally crowded means people or the vehicles. So the place fully crowded with traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. So obviously in the traffic vehicles only will be there along with the people. So what vehicles we can see? We can see buses, motors and trams. Bus and motors we know, but what is this trams? Trams means it is an electrical vehicle. It is an electrical vehicle which works through the wires. And it is also same like bus. It takes people from one place to another place. I wish there were meadows and lambs. I wish there were meadows and lambs. What is meadows here? A open field with grass. So in some certain places what happens when you go and play cricket, you will see a place where the place is empty, and sometimes we play where in the empty place full of grass will be there, no, that place. Open yard where we can see with the grass or the normal land. It is called as meadow. And lambs. What is a lamb here? It is a baby sheep. You know sheep, right? Sheep babies will be there, no? Baby sheeps we call as lambs. So in the first 4 lines, what is it? I live in the town. It is crowded with traffic, and we can see buses, motors and trams here. But what he is saying, I wish. The town child is wishing that there were meadows and lands. He is wishing that there are some open places and he can see some baby sheep in the town. Means what? He is liking to live like a village. How in the villages we can see meadows and sheep. So he is expecting that. And he is also saying that the houses all wait in a row. The houses all wait in a row. Row means what? Like this, right? The houses all wait in a row means what? In the cities what happens? All the houses were near. You cannot see any open places, right? Fully they all will stand in a row. Like a row how people are standing. In the same everywhere that I go. So wherever I go, in any kind of place, what I can see only smoke around me. How the smoke is coming from the factories or from vehicles, whatever it is. But what the town child is saying, wherever I go, I can see only the smoke. I don't like the noises I hear. Again what he is saying, along with the smoke we also get different kind of noises. For suppose we are there, we live in a house. In the city life what happens, every day morning we would like to listen to the music, we will keep a loud noise and we listen to the songs, we enjoy. In the same way the other houses might do, and party cultures are going on and vehicles are more. So obviously in the cities what happens, we get more noises. So he is saying, I don't like the noises I hear. Whatever the noises he was hearing through his ear, he is not liking those. And he is also saying, I wish there were woods very near. Woods means what here we know, right? Generally we cannot see woods here in the cities, only buildings. We cannot see trees nor woods. In the village means what happens, we can see the woods also, because while they are doing work or if they cut a tree, we can see the woods there. So in this stanza what he is saying, the houses are very near, they are consisting, there is no space between the houses, and wherever I go, I see only smoke, and I don't like the noises which I hear in these cities. And he is saying, I wish there were woods very near to our house. I feel I might have woods. What he can do there, he can go and he can sit there some time and he can relax. We have another stanza, let us see that also. This is our last stanza. So in first two stanzas what the poet has said, he said that he lived in a town and he don't like to stay there, because wherever he go you can see only traffic, and he expected that, he wished that he could see the meadows and some lamps in the city. And also he said the houses all in a row, they stand and there is no space in between the houses, and he always, wherever he go, he see only smoke. In the last stanza what is he going to say, there is only one thing that I love. So in the two stanzas what he said, he is not interested to live in the town, but here in the last stanza he is saying that he liked only one thing in the city. What is that? And that is the sky far above. There is a plenty of room in the blue for castles of clouds and me too. Here room means, it means space. So he said, I like only one thing in the city, that is the sky which is far above. And we can see the plenty of space over the sky. Generally what is said in the town, wherever we go there is no space at all, very consistent. But the sky is very far, but we can see a plenty of space there. And for castles of clouds, in that space what we can see the castles, means a strong buildings we can see in the sky. Are they really there? No. Sometimes when we see the sky with the clouds we can see different kinds of pictures. We can imagine, to our imagination we imagine and we say, sometimes we can see like elephant, or sometimes like butterfly, whatever it is. So here the poet is seeing the clouds as a castle. And me too means what here? And me too means he is also thinking that he could also have different dreams, so that he can live how he wants to live. Because he is living in the town, but he is expecting that he should live in a village. So different things he said also. At last what he said, I like only one thing in the city, and that is the sky, because there is a lot of space where we can go and we can live how we wanted to live. Next class we will see how the country child is wishing to live his life. See you children, we will meet in the next class.